Hello, welcome back to Army Public School. This video is for class 12 student and we are going to start from the point where we have left in the previous video. The today topic is grouping of values. In previous video you have seen the concept of aggregate function, and if we are using aggregate function then there may be situation where we want to perform grouping operation. Grouping means logically combining the data from the table according to some grouping value. So for instance, if we look at the table employee, again select asterisk from EMP. Now in this case you can see we are having column EID, name, post, salary, department number, and if we issue command select min ब्रैकेट में सेल कॉमा मैक्स ब्रैकेट में सेल कॉमा AV sum bracket cell. Okay, we have made mistake here. Cell, in place of cell we have to use salary, SALARY, min salary, max salary, comma sum salary and count salary. No, AVG salary and count salary from EMP. In this case we are going to get this result. You can see the minimum salary from this table is 0.0, this one. Maximum salary is 28,000, sum of the salary is 1,38,000 and average salary is this, and total number of employees getting salary is 9, excluding one null value. But this particular query will work on the entire table and we are getting the consolidated result. But suppose we want to see the same record, but we want to see the record according to the department. That means from this example you can see we are having three valid department number 10, 20 and 30. Now we want to see the same thing but according to the departments. So the first way of doing is कि from EMP, and after that we can write where depth number is equals to 10. We are getting this result. Again if we write depth number is equals to 20 or 30, we'll get this result. And if we write depth number is equals to 20, actually the key 2 is not working in my computer. Okay, and that is why I cannot type that. So if we write depth number is equals to 30, you can see we have getted the result like this, but the result are scattered. If we want to see the result according to the group, so at that time we can issue the command select min sal, max sal, sum sal, average salary, count from EMP, and then group by depth number. Now in this case you can see this is group department number 10, this is for department number 20, and this is for department number 30. That means for department number 10 we are having 4 employees getting salary, and min sal, max sal, sum sal, average sal is given. For department number 20 we are having 8000 as min sal, maximum sal, sum sal, and average sal. And for department number 30 again we are having this value. So in this way we can group the result of the relation, and we can get actual value by using group by clause. Thank you.